Today, our topic for today's tutorial is about how to solve the quadratic equations. So further ado, let's do this topic. So we have here an examples about how to solve the quadratic equations. X squared minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. So as you can see, the given quadratic equation is in standard form. So we have here a conditions that we need to be followed. In doing completing the squares, we need that our coefficients of our x squared is always be 1. If ever the coefficients of our x squared is more than 1 or greater than 1, we need to eliminate and make it 1. So here, in our first example, we are lucky because the coefficients of our quadratic term, is 1. So let's start solving these equations by completing the squares we have. We have here x squared minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. Our coefficients here in x, our example is 1. What I need to do now is to transpose the constant into the other side of the equations. So we need to transpose the negative 12 into the other side. And basically, if we transpose the number, so the signs will automatically difference. So we have here x squared minus 4x is equal to 12. So again, transpose the negative 12 and it will become a positive. If you notice that there has space from 12 because we will put the one blank and the other blank. Because our target now is to create a perfect square, perfect square trinomial. So what are the terms we will put here to make a square trinomial? So it is the process. Get the coefficient of linear equation, a linear term, which is negative 4, and then divided into 2. Kahit anong coefficient yung meron tayo sa linear term is it will be always be divided into 2. And then get the quotients of negative 4 divided by 2. That will give you the answer of negative 2. And the second step, after dividing by 2, we need to square the answers. So we have here negative 2 raised to 2 is equivalent to 4. So this is our third term. So 4 as 4. As you can see, we have here a trinomial. And this one is a perfect square trinomial. So copy lang natin yung x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 12 plus 4, which is is 16. This 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. So, ito siyang 316. And now, after natin gawing perfect square trinomial yung left sides, kailangan natin siyang i-factor out at gawing square binomial. So, parang ganito lang. Is A, that is A squared plus 2AB plus B plus B squared. At kung finactor mo yan, ay magiging A, no, A squared plus 2AB plus B squared is equal to, kung finactor mo yan, ay magiging A plus B squared. So, how to do it? First, we need to prepare two parentheses. We need to prepare two parentheses. And then, kunin ang first term, which is x. The square root of x squared is x. At kunin ang last term, the square root of last term, the square root of 4, which is 2. And another is copy the sign of the middle term, which is negative, is equal to 60. So, yan na po ang ating factor. So, our new equations, the quantity of x minus 2 squared is equal to 16. And after this, square root all equations, get the square root of this, so we can square root of this, square root of all equation, both sides, we need the square root. We can cancel this. We have here that square. So we need to cancel this. It will become x minus 2. And then in the right side, the square root of 16 is not just 4. It will be positive and negative 4. Is equal to positive and negative 4. And after that, we need to transpose this term to solve the variable x. I-transpose natin siya sa kabilang side. So, our new equation is x is equal to positive and negative 4 plus 2. Except for negative, it will become a positive. When we transpose the negative into the other side, it will become a positive. And now we're not yet done because we need to solve for the value of x. Hindi pa simplified ang right side natin, so x sub 1, natin our first value natin, we will use the positive 4, So we have 4 and then plus 2. Therefore, your x sub 1 is equal to 6. This is our x sub 1. And how about the second value of x? Para makuha ang x sub 2 natin, ang positive will be using the negative 4. So my negative 4 is equal to negative 4 plus 2. Now, as you can see, to simplify this, your x sub 2 is equal to negative 4 plus 2 is equal to negative 2. Now these are the values of x. You have 6 and negative 6 and negative 2. That's it for our tutorial for today.